This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to prepare cornbread step by step. Start by preheating your oven and assembling ingredients. This saves time and prevents overmixing. Measure dry ingredients into one bowl and wet into another for consistent texture. Use room temperature eggs and milk for better emulsification. Sift cornmeal and flour if coarse, then combine gently to avoid tough bread. Pour into a greased pan and bake until golden brown and a toothpick comes out clean. When mixing cornbread batter, be gentle and deliberate for a light crumb. Start by whisking flour, cornmeal, salt, baking powder, and sugar so everything is evenly distributed. In a separate bowl, whisk milk, eggs, and melted butter until smooth, then pour into dry ingredients. Fold using a spatula just until the streaks of flour disappear. Overmixing makes dense bread. Finally, stir in any extras like corn or cheese sparingly to maintain tenderness and bake promptly. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support the channel and see more recipes. Quick recommendation: the O'Ala water bottle is great for staying hydrated while you bake, with a spill-resistant lid and comfortable grip that makes kitchen work easier and more fun. I put a link in the description so you can check it out along with other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Bake cornbread in the center of the oven for even heat and consistent rise. Tent with foil if the top browns too fast while the center finishes baking. After removing from the oven, cool in the pan for a few minutes, then transfer to a rack to finish setting. Resting prevents tearing and makes slicing easier. Serve warm with butter or honey, or pair with chili, soups, or roasted vegetables for a cozy meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.